Today I am telling something about coding. Coding mean number. You can ask me about any noun. For example, sky. Sky code is this. Sky. Earth. Earth code is this. And now you can ask me any noun.
Pen.
Pen. Pen code is this. Pen code is this. Pen. Next,
Table.
table and
Board.
you write it because you did not understand that I memorize it. Now you can ask me again.
Pen.
Pen code is this. I am right
Yes.
and
Table.
table and
Board.
board and you checked.
Yes.
You checked.
Yes, I checked.
How can I do?
I don't know.
Now you ask me full sentence.
What is your name?
What's your name code is this. You wrote.
Yes.
You again ask me about this number. I will write it. Check.
Right.
Now I will understand you how I did this. Now I will understand you how I did this. To A I give 76. B I give 11. C 18. D 24. E 29. F 25. G32. Now you understood that is very easy way and it's a private handwriting. Now you can take idea from my private handwriting and make easy your private handwriting. Now I will raise my codes. You put your own codes, your codes whatever. Rather 55, 76, 88, 50 or whatever, and then it will be your private handwriting, and it will be your private handwriting. Whatever we are writing everyone can read, therefore we should learn private handwriting. As Leonardo da Vinci write opposite side, if we see in the mirror everyone can read it, who will learn this code? No one can read his personal things. Still do you not tell your codes? Now I will tell you about private language. Now I will give to A G, to B H, C W, D X. A original and G artificial. From artificial ABC we will make private language. This is my given codes. Now I will raise my codes. Now you can give your own codes. Your codes B or F or H or whatever, and then it will become your private language. And now I will translate one sentence in my own codes. Skoj za TV okpij. Now you ask me another question.
What is your future planning?
and this is the translation. Sketch za TV Yedwij Negazob. ABC Artificial, we will memorize bytecode. From original you can become confused if you will habitual of this. If in your mind AG come or original AG come, so no problem. In the world how many languages are there, we can translate it, and this is the one language which no one can translate it. From your given codes no one can translate it, and it's very easy. As for understanding, I am giving you one sentence. And where are you going? And this translation. Skijij gig tu bizob. If you forget this sentence translation, so again write this sentence, answer will come again. So you are the student and teacher of this language. For learning no need to go anywhere. If anyone follow my rules, so can make unlimited private languages and private handwritings. Every common person should learn it.
Can we make this private language in private handwriting?
No, no, I will understand you. We gave to AG and again we are giving to GA. We gave to BH and again you are giving to HB, to C, to WC, to XD, to JE, YF, BG. But we learned AG. And before G is B. G is B. And again you want to GA. We gave to BH and H is K. And now you are giving to HB. 1, 2, 3, 3 came. Now I will give you another example. To A given G and you are giving to GA. 1, 2 and A is S2 and this 3. B is H 1. You gave to H B. This is 2. But G is B 2. G is B. This is 3. If you see H is K2 and B is G2 and G is A. If you will change it in a handwriting so your words will increase more. So do not change it, otherwise you learn simple AG that you will forget. And just simple private handwriting is this. Hi, how are you? Just simple write like this. This is perfect for you.